new arrival, 1964.5 Ford Mustang 289 V8 D-code engine mated with a C3 automatic gearbox. Now I always say colour combinations make cars. It's finished in Ragoon red with tan interior, wonderful colour combination. Now this car has been fully restored. We're talking red oxide, detailed and engine base, same with the boot. The interior is in wonderful condition as well. Mustang Coupes of this quality just don't come up for this price anymore in the UK. This is £37,750. A fantastic buy. To restore one to this condition for that money would be impossible, and to import a 64.5, which is a very rare car in the States, never mind in the UK, would be near enough impossible. So as I mentioned before, buy a piece of automotive history. 64.5 Mustang, we've only ever had 3 in the past 16 years of business. It's a car we know very, very well. We actually sold this back in 2019. We bought it back from our customers. For us, if you look at our website, a lot of our cars you may have seen before, simply because customers enjoy them, whether it's 4 years on this particular occasion, 3 months, 10 years, whatever it may be, they want to then upgrade to something else, and part exchange, we're more than happy to have our classics back. We always say life's too short, tick off as many boxes in cars as you can. So if you're in the market for an exceptional and very early Mustang, please get in touch with me, sam@retroclassiccar.com. All the links are below. You've got 80 pictures, detailed walk around video, and of course the classic point of view driving video. So we put you behind the wheel of this exceptional Mustang. So if it's of interest, get in touch with me. As I said before, we'd love to see you here at a Yorkshire showroom. So I just wanted to add another segment to this video to talk about the very special specification of this 64 and very early Mustang. It's that early. It was actually built 4 days before the official sale date of the Mustang. So as I mentioned before, you are buying a piece of automotive history. Specification wise, this is a really high spec for 64.5. You've got power brakes, power steering, AC, the rally pack, which is a rare option, center console, radio, day-night mirrors, padded sun visors, and obviously the spinners, which are the wheel covers there. They're really cool going around. They're actually made to stop you from curbing wheels. Very clever but simple invention. Also fitted with a factory tow bar. Yes, from new, a factory tow bar. There's actually a picture of the original owners who imported this and restored it, towing, I think a trailer and a car in the back. So such a cool option from 64.5. As I said before, this would be a proud addition to any collection or just a Sunday cruiser. It's fitted with a cherry bomb exhaust. It has that beautiful V8 burble. Also, another rare thing, it's fitted with a 289 V8, which is a D-code engine. A lot of these were fitted with a 260. Not very many early Mustangs were fitted with the 289. So very, very special, even more special in the UK. So please, if it's of interest, get in touch. And as usual, thanks for watching.